Welcome back to SaaS Beast Pro. Today we're diving into 7 hidden Copilot tricks for Windows. Productivity Boost, showing you how to unlock features that make your workflow smoother and faster. Now let's get started on the last. Number 1, customize Copilot appearance settings. Tweaking Copilot's appearance helps you work more comfortably and efficiently, reducing eye strain while making the interface suit your style. This small change can dramatically improve your daily productivity. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Launch the Copilot application on your browser to access its features. Step 2. Click on your profile icon located in the bottom left corner of the Copilot interface to open the menu. Step 3. Adjust theme by clicking the theme option from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Pick between light mode for bright environments, dark mode for low-light comfort to match your browser theme. Step 5. Choose your preferred language for Copilot interactions to ensure smooth communication and accurate suggestions. Number 2. Enable Copilot to see your screen. Allowing Copilot to view your screen unlocks a whole new level of assistance. It can now read, summarize, and interact with what you're seeing in real time. This makes your workflow smoother, faster, and far more intuitive. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge and sign in with your personal Microsoft account. This ensures Copilot can sync and access your browsing context properly. Step 2. Go to the website, video, or PDF you want Copilot to analyze. The AI needs an active tab to understand what's on your screen. Step 3. Click the Copilot icon in the top right corner of the browser. This opens the Copilot side panel ready to assist. Step 4. Click the mic icon or the glasses icon in the Composer area. This starts a vision session, allowing Copilot to view your tab's content directly. Step 5. Once enabled, Copilot can now see, interpret, and interact with the page, helping you summarize, explain, or extract details instantly. Number 3. Guide Copilot with screen content. This feature allows Copilot to actually see what's on your screen, giving you smarter, context-based answers. It's perfect for analyzing visuals, text, or data without switching between apps, saving time and mental energy. Let's do it. Step 1. Open Copilot by clicking the Copilot icon on your taskbar. This brings up your AI assistant, ready to take action. Step 2. In the Copilot Composer box at the bottom, click the plus button to reveal more input options. Step 3. From the menu, choose Take a Screenshot. This activates Copilot's vision mode, allowing it to capture part of your screen for deeper analysis. Step 4. When the screen dims and your cursor turns into a crosshair, click and drag to highlight the area you want Copilot to examine. Release the mouse to capture the selected region instantly. Step 5. The screenshot will appear right inside the Copilot prompt box. Type your question or command below, for example, summarize the text or explain what this chart shows. Then press Enter to get fast, AI-powered insights directly from your screen. Number 4. Create images using Copilot Chat. Transforming ideas into visuals ignites creativity and brings your imagination to life. With Copilot's image generation, you can design, visualize, and prototype instantly. No design skills required. It's the ultimate bridge between vision and creation. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open Copilot by going to copilot.microsoft.com or launching the Copilot app on your Windows device. This is where your visual creation journey begins. Step 2. In the chat box, type a clear, detailed prompt describing what you want. Include the subject, mood, lighting, and style. For example, generate a futuristic cityscape at sunset in an oil painting style. Step 3. Wait a few moments while the Copilot works its magic. It'll generate a unique, high-quality image based entirely on your description. Step 4. Click on the image to view it in full size, then hit download to save it to your device and use it however you like. Each prompt you create becomes a spark Copilot turns it into art. Number 5. Integrate Copilot with File Explorer. Connecting Copilot with File Explorer streamlines your workflow, letting you instantly analyze, summarize, or edit files without switching between apps. It's all about smarter multitasking and faster results. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open Copilot by visiting copilotmicrosoft.com in your browser or launching the Copilot app on your Windows PC. This is your workspace for managing and interacting with files through AI. Step 2. In the chat input area, look for the Add Images or Files icon. It usually appears as a paperclip or plus sign. This is where you'll connect Copilot with your files. Step 3. Click the icon and select the option Upload to open your device's file picker. This lets you browse through your File Explorer to choose the document, image, or data you want Copilot to process. Step 4. Once you've found your file, select it and click Open. The file will instantly upload and appear as an attachment in your Copilot chat. Step 5. Now, simply ask Copilot to analyze, summarize, or reformat the file. Whether it's a PDF, image, or text document, Copilot can extract insights or perform actions directly. No manual digging required. Number 6. Switch Copilot Conversation Mode. Changing Copilot's conversation mode lets you control how it responds. Whether you want imaginative answers, balanced support, or precise facts. This flexibility tailors Copilot to match your workflow and creative needs perfectly. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Type your prompt into the Copilot chat box. This tells Copilot what you need help with and prepares it for the next step. Step 2. Click on Quick Response directly below your prompt. This opens the menu where you can select different conversation modes. Step 3. Pick your preferred mode. Think Deeper, GPT mode, or Deep Search. Each mode changes how Copilot formulates its responses to better fit your task. Step 4. Once selected, the mode stays active for all future responses in that chat. This ensures your workflow remains consistent and customized without needing to reset each time. Number 7. Block Copilot from accessing files. Managing Copilot's file permissions is key to keeping your personal data secure. By limiting its access, you prevent unwanted file scanning and ensure your privacy stays intact without losing productivity. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Open the Copilot app by clicking its icon on your taskbar. This launches the main interface where you can customize all your Copilot preferences. Step 2. Click the sidebar icon to reveal the full navigation menu. This gives you quick access to the key control sections. Step 3. Select your profile icon, then head into Settings. This is where you can fine-tune privacy, access, and permission options. Step 4. Scroll down to the Permission section and locate the settings labeled File Search or File Read. These control how deeply Copilot can interact with your local storage. Step 5. Toggle off any options that allow Copilot to access or read your local files. This simple action locks down your privacy and prevents any unintended file access in the background. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more hidden Copilot tricks and pro-level Windows productivity tips.